Hi friends, previously we have discussed that how to work in HTML. So now we will be working on HTML tags. Previously we have discussed about some tags like heading tag, paragraph tags and image tag. So now we will be working on some tags like comments usage, line break elements or tags, and hyperlink elements or tags. So let's start it. Firstly, we use comments like this is a comment, and I am using these comments. These are the comments elements. So if we use comments in paragraph and end comment here, save it and run the code. These paragraphs are shown here. If I refresh the page, then these paragraphs are not shown us because I am using comment tag here. If I remove it, this paragraph have been shown. If I am using break after each sentence, here, here, here and here, so I am using line break tag, PR, PR is used for line break. Save it and run the code. You can see that each and every paragraph have been breakdown. So and now I am using hyperlink, using of hyperlink tag. A header. It is used for move to another page like Google. I'm writing Google. There's a path where from you go. Save it and run the code. You can see that Google have been written, but its color is changed because I am using a header hyperlink tag. It will be help us to going to this path. Open it and you can see that I am going the Google search engine. Go back and use the BR line break tag here and now run the code. So it has going to down. I hope you have enjoyed, so I will see you in next lecture.